Right, ladies and gents, I'm currently on the 4 hour time frame, and as you can see, yesterday I was waiting for gold to come and push back into our area of resistance right there on top, but instead it pushed back down into our key area of support right down here. So gold is currently at our key area of support right down here, but because we never got a proper retest of this zone, so I'm still waiting for the market to come back to this zone right here, our area of resistance right there. Come and tap into our area of support right here again and continue to the upside. If that doesn't happen, I'm expecting the trend to continue to the downside. But this is what I'm waiting for. So let me delete that. So let's go over to the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, this is where I was expecting the market to push up again until this area of resistance right there, and then come back and push into our key area of support right here. So because gold is currently at the support area, at a 4 hour support area, so we are looking for a reversal pattern to happen down at this area right here. And so far we haven't got it yet, but so far we can see gold has created a high there, a minor area of resistance right there, and a minor area of support right down there. So here's my area of support, there is my area of resistance. So we're gonna wait for a break above or a break below either one of those two. So let me go over to 15 minutes to see it properly. So there is that area of resistance right there. Here is the area of support down here. So what we're gonna wait for? So we're gonna wait for a break above, retest, enter to the upside to target that area of resistance right up there. If that doesn't happen, we're gonna wait for a break below, come and retest, and for the market to continue to the downside. But right in this area, I'm gonna wait for a reversal pattern, something like a head and shoulder, triple top, triple bottoms, double bottoms, all those reversal patterns. So I'm gonna look for something here on the higher time frame, on the 4 hour time frame.